Hey, what's up folks? Matt Berry with First Choice, and today we are going to be topping some ligustrums, cutting back some lantana, and trimming the whole property. We're also going to limb up a few trees for sun exposure, and we're going to get anything we can off the house. All right, let's cut back this lantana. All right, we got our lantana trimmed back to a nice little ball. That way it'll come back better in the growing season. That bad boy, a little big. We're gonna go right above this beautiful Japanese magnolia and just top it right there next to that. All right, folks, we have wrapped this one up. We got everything trimmed up, looking good around the pool. We got all the big ligustrums except for one topped. They didn't want to do the last one, but we got everything topped and clean. The Japanese yew is topped and clean. All the boxwoods are trimmed, lantana cut back, and everything is ready for the growing season. Lantana we cut, those were a little bit tall. We cut off a good 4 or 5 feet. Got this bad boy rounded and off the porch more, and we didn't top that one. And then there was a couple trees down here that we limbed up a little bit. He said he didn't want to limb them up all the way so he could still have a little privacy. All right, folks, that's another one down and another happy customer.